In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make exponents in Google Slides. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of mathematical flair or emphasis to their presentations using superscript text. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to achieve this. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Signing in is essential as it gives you access to all the features and lets you save your work in real time. Once you're logged in and can see the Google Slides home screen, you're ready to start creating your presentation. On the home screen, you have the option to either click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or select one of the many templates available if you have something specific in mind for your slides. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's go ahead and click on blank presentation. This will open up a new presentation for you to work on. Now that your blank presentation is open, the next step is to focus on the slide where you want to add the exponent. Simply navigate to the specific slide by using the slide navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Once there, click into a text box where you want to add your content, or create a new text box if there isn't one already available. With your text box ready and content selected, we're almost at the superscript part. Head to the top of the page and click on the Format tab in the menu bar. A drop-down menu appears with various formatting options. From here, hover over text to reveal a secondary drop-down menu. Carefully scroll through the list until you see the superscript option, then go ahead and click on it. This action instantly converts the selected text into a superscript format, representing an exponent in your slide. This is a great way to present mathematical equations, footnotes, or even chemical formulas needing that elevated text. In summary, to make exponents in Google Slides, you need to access Google Slides through your web browser, open or create a presentation, select your text, choose format, and finally click on superscript. With these simple steps, you can efficiently create and display exponents, enhancing the clarity and professionalism of your presentation. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow, and that you feel more confident in utilizing Google Slides for your presentation needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials.